Today we are making microwave pizza crusts. That's right, we're going to make them in the microwave. The taste is so good that you can actually cut them up and use them as breadsticks for a dip. This is the same mix ingredients that I used to make the incredible biscuits. It's just cut in half. So let's start by mixing the dry ingredients. 80 grams of almond flour, 15 grams of coconut flour, 20 grams of dry grated Parmesan cheese like the Kraft brand, 10 grams of plain protein powder, 10 grams of sweetener of your choice, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Whisk all the dry ingredients together and then add in the liquid ingredients. 1/4 cup of egg whites and 1/4 cup of water. Combine all these ingredients until the liquid is totally absorbed. Roll the dough into a ball. You'll have to use wet hands because the dough is very sticky, and then cut the dough into 2 equal halves. Cover the first dough ball with parchment paper and start to roll it out. You can also press out the dough with the back of a heavy skillet. These aren't really big crusts, so they'll go to about 6 inches in diameter. Once it's nice and even, then carefully peel back the parchment paper. Place the parchment and the rolled dough onto a microwave-safe dish. Then you're going to cook on high for about 1 1/4 minutes. You don't want to overcook these. There should be no visible wet spots on the bread, and it should remain nice and soft.